Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to leach potassium from vegetables. For individuals managing kidney health, reducing dietary potassium is often a key recommendation. Leaching is a straightforward and effective method to significantly lower the potassium content in many common vegetables, making them safer to consume. This process involves a few simple steps that you can easily follow in your own kitchen, ensuring your meals are both nutritious and kidney-friendly. The first step in leaching potassium is proper preparation and soaking. Begin by peeling and chopping your vegetables into small, thin pieces, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. This increases the surface area for potassium to escape. Then, place the chopped vegetables in a large bowl and cover them with 10 times their volume of warm water. Allow them to soak for a minimum of 2 hours, changing the water every 60 minutes to maximize potassium removal. After soaking, the next crucial step is boiling, which further reduces potassium levels. First, thoroughly rinse your soaked vegetables under fresh, running water to remove any remaining potassium that has leached out. Then, place the rinsed vegetables in a pot and add 5 times their volume of fresh water. Bring the water to a boil and cook the vegetables for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, drain the vegetables completely, discarding the cooking water. To ensure effective potassium reduction, always remember to discard all the soaking and boiling water, as it contains the leached potassium. This method is particularly effective for starchy vegetables such as potatoes, carrots, and beets. While leaching significantly lowers potassium, it does not remove 100% of it. For personalized dietary guidance and to understand how much potassium is appropriate for your specific health needs, always consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.